Welcome back to the show. Heart disease is the leading cause of death for men and women in the U.S. So how can we begin to better take care of our hearts? Well, UnityPoint is offering a free event aimed at raising awareness about heart health. And joining us today to tell us a little bit more about their 17th annual VR Alla Community Health Symposium is Dr. Olutade, Chief Medical Officer at UnityPoint Health Trinity, which is also this segment's sponsor. Doctor, thank you so much for taking the time to be here with us today. What an event. What a long name. That was hard to get out.
Oh, yes, yes.
So what can people expect at this event that's coming up this year's symposium?
No, thank you, Randy. And, it's a symposium, but it's not just a lecture. It's going to be a conversation that will be led by the top heart surgeon in the Quad Cities, Dr. Elias Chowdhury.
Okay.
It's about connecting medical innovation with everyday practices so that people will live with, practical tips on how to take care of their heart health specifically. So.
Okay, so this is the 17th year for this event. You keep bringing it back. This is great. Why is it so important to bring this back every year for the folks in our community?
Yes, we believe that healthcare does not start in the hospital. It starts in the communities. It starts in our homes, and we want people to feel empowered at all times to be able to make choices that can impact their health today.
Yeah. All right, give us the details on when and where exactly this is taking place.
So this event will take place at Bally's Casino, September 24th, 5:30 to 7 p.m. And all will be welcome so that they can learn how to take care of their own health, and they will feel empowered knowing that they can take practical steps to prevent heart disease so that we do not react, we are proactive in taking care of our own health.
And do people need to register in advance? Can they just show up, walk in the door?
Yes, registration is advisable ahead of time. Registration is due by September 17, and there's a phone number, and there'll be a link for this registration to be completed.
Yeah, and this event, it's free to the public, so there's no cost. Love that.
Yeah.
And you're making it a very casual and relaxed environment for folks. So do you think that people will feel maybe a little more comfortable asking questions and that sort of thing?
No, absolutely. And that's why I said it's a conversation. When we get a good location like Bally's Casino, and then we take away the barrier of cost, we want people to come in, feel relaxed, and just have a conversation, ask questions, feel empowered, believe in the event, that they can actually take practical steps to improve their own health, the health of their families, their neighbors, and so that will build a healthy community overall. Yeah,
because don't you feel a lot of people, they come to these events, they have lots of questions, but they hold back, they don't ask, right?
Oh, please do not hold back. Yes, they do not ask, but this time you can ask any questions.
Yeah.
And it will be a conversational style event, and it's relaxed, and we'll be able to leave with most, if not all, the questions answered.
Yeah, because I always say if you have a question, there's probably someone else that has the same exact question, right?
That is right. That is right.
Yeah. So what do you hope that people will take away from this event?
I want people to walk away knowing that they can actually own their own health. They can impact their own health. They do not have to wait until something goes wrong to be reactive, but they can take practical steps in diet, exercise, screenings, and how all of this connects with medical innovation. We'll bring medical innovation home to the people that attend this event, and they will leave feeling empowered and encouraged, knowing that there are resources for them, there's support for them to take charge of their own health.
Yeah, I mean, with heart disease, that's still the leading cause of death for men and women.
Yes, it is the leading cause of health. It is the leading cause of death.
Yeah.
But there are a lot of things that are preventable.
Yeah.
It is preventable. We can take proactive steps. We can make changes in our lives today so that we'll have better health tomorrow.
Yep, and that's what this presentation will bring folks in our community. They're going to learn some things. They can ask some questions all about their health and make some changes, and hopefully we can get rid of this heart disease as the #1 cause of death.
Absolutely.
I mean, we need to change that, definitely. And there's so many ways, like you say, that people can make changes now to improve their health and their heart. Let's go over those details again, when and where, and where folks need to register.
Date is September 24th.
Okay.
Bally's Casino, 5:30 to 7 p.m. And there is there'll be a link, a telephone number to register before or by September 17. And there's also a link to register for this event.
All right. Well, Doctor, it has been a pleasure. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you, Brandy.
All right. Again, this segment was sponsored by UnityPoint Health Trinity. And for more information, you can go to unitypoint.org/Dr. Alla. We'll also have all those details posted on ourquadcities.com.